Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, in this video will be particularly helpful for the job seekers, whether they are the freshers or the experienced job seekers. So, if you're looking for a job, the first most important thing is creating a professional resume. So, resume or curriculum vitae, we can say. So, with using Chat GPT, you can actually develop a professional this one resume, and that is pretty simple just by giving some prompts like your name, your education qualification, and some more details like your expertise in so and so. For example, I have learned JIra project management tool with Bitbucket and some more tools. So I'll tell you how you can give this prompt. For example, see on this notepad I have write something like I'm just giving this prompt to the chat GPT open AI. So I'll drop this prompt in the description. If you want, you can copy it here. So what all things you need to mention? First of all, I'll just copy this and give the same to the chat GPT. Let us check. Yeah, see here, this is the resume what chat GPT has provided. See here, it is saying that here's the professional resume for Arun with details you provided. So I gave the name in this text, the prompt text, and I'll explain the prompt text also. So yeah, the last name, phone number, email address, LinkedIn profile, and the location I didn't mention. So these are the things you need to mention. See, the professional experience I mentioned. First of all, uh, let us look at this prompt here. I said something like create a professional resume with the name Arun. So if I give the second name here, means my last name here, it would have mentioned there. And having experience on JIra project management tool for 6 years and mention that I have worked for 3 years at techanswer.com as JIra admin with current CTC as 15 lakhs per annum and having key skills on these particular skills. See here, whatever I mentioned here, all those details it already included in this resume. See here, techanswer.com, which I have mentioned as the experience in the prompt text. So likewise, if I have mentioned the city and the country with the years, mean the duration of the working years, it would have mentioned here also. So, and what would I say is, you just need to copy this and paste it on a MS Word document or the Google Word document, and then you need to edit the resume. For sure, you definitely need to edit the details, whichever are necessary, whichever are not necessary. You need to edit the resume and have a final copy. Let me do know in the comments about how you do feel about this tutorial or information that we can generate resume using chat GPT prompt.